Okay guys, welcome back to another tutorial in which I will show you that if you have a network in which you can't connect. Okay, I will forget this one. Okay, so the problem that I'm facing right now, I will show you. If I try to connect this network, I have to put my credentials. Okay, so I have put my credentials, try to connect to it. Let's try it. Okay, so it prompts you back if you put the right ones. Okay, it prompts you back to the same username and password, to enter your username and password, or otherwise it says that it can't connect to the network. If you have both the errors, okay, any of these errors, you can follow my steps to overcome this error. Okay, first of all, you have to go to the control panel. Okay, after that you have to go to the network and sharing center. Okay, here you have to go to set up a new connection or network. Here you can see the manually connect to a wireless network. Click on it, click next. Okay, then you have to put the information of your network. Okay, in my case it says it's edu roam. Put edu roam in here, and in my case security type is WPA to enterprise. I don't know, in your case just check it. You can ask your organization or whatever it is. Okay, click next, change the connection settings. Okay, just make sure you pay attention in here. When you come to the security one, go to settings, make sure you uncheck this one. Okay, if you check this one, it might not connect. Okay, and after that go to the advanced settings. Here you have to click on this one, check this one, and then you have to specify the authentication method. It's user authentication. Now you have to save your credentials that you used to put in there. Click on save credentials. You will get a window like this. It's almost same in the Windows 10 and Windows 11. I'm not sure about Windows 8. Okay, so what you have to do in this case, put the username and password. Okay, after that hit OK. Wait for a second, let it load, and then click OK. Click OK, close, close. Come here to the network, click on this network, hit connect. That's so it's connect. Connect, please. I'm making a video, okay? Please, for God's sake. Do it, man. I'm gonna cancel it, connect it again once more. Close. Okay, so it's connected. It's saying connected and secure. You can go and check on your internet. Let's try searching something. WordPress. So it's working. Voila. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you think this video has helped you in any case, just help you a bit, make sure you give me a thumb up so I know that it helped you. Okay, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure to subscribe. And if you have any issues, you can comment them below in the comment section. And if you think that you have a shorter method better than this one, you can also comment in there. We will also take it in account. Maybe I will update my video. Thank you very much for your time.